Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Retouch on CapCut. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your CapCut. Now select your picture or video. Now press on your picture and search for Retouch. Press on face. From here you can retouch your face. You can smooth your face and change your skin tone. You can reshape your face. Also you can put makeup on your face. That's it. So this is how to use Retouch on CapCut. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.